How you doing? This is the Brunswick 200 series guitar. Lovely little guitar. Fantastic value for this guitar. You can see back in front here. The sunburst effect on it. It's a little bit smaller than the full-size guitar. Sort of in between a 3/4 size guitar and a full-size guitar. Kind of a folk. It's kind of a folk guitar. And I think the action on it was really nice. That's at the distance between the strings, as you probably know. And great little guitar, especially if you're for sort of a teenager or something like that, or a travel guitar, it's the right size. So here's what it sounds like again. As with a lot of these modern guitars, the value you're getting for the price is just unbelievable. A few years ago, you know, you just couldn't get good quality for the prices, for the low end prices. So this is a beautiful guitar, I'd highly recommend it.